Vision: a university of science and technology, advanced geology, and bioresource science to promote sustainable and resilient community. Mission: to provide a high-quality, global educational experience to educate individuals in leadership, innovation, critical thinking, cultural appreciation, and civic responsibility, so that graduates are competent and informed and environmentally and culturally proactive and productive citizens. Core values: P for passion for excellence, S for service, U for unity and inclusiveness. Quality policy: the Partido State University commits to provide quality instruction, responsive research, and needs-based extension service for global competitiveness and satisfaction of its client, stakeholder, regulatory bodies, and other service providers through continual improvement of the quality management system.